It's good to see you again. I haven't seen you since the beginning of the war. It's nice to be back, Megatron. Don't worry. I'll do the job as you...
Sir, welcome back, sir. So, have we got any information from the speeding? No, sir. Back in 2007, the humans developed some technology with transforming vehicles. I'll cut off your head if you won't let me out. There must be an American soldier in that. Take it apart. Oh! What was that? Oh. Dun 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 dun. Take it down. 9. You'll never take me down.
How's it going, okay, mate?
What do you want? So, what do you exactly need, scum?
Well, Decepticon. I hear you have a database. Now give it to
Even if I had a data disk of all the Decepticons who have come to Earth, why would I give it to you?
Well, if you want to keep your head, Decepticon.
Alright, here's the disk. You didn't have to go that far. This disk contains all the Decepticons in it.
Get moving, Decepticon.
Whatever. Don't! Alright, I'm moving.
Take him to the prison cell.
Iornhide.
You wanted to see me, Prime?
Yes. I wanted to talk to you about Chromia. Unfortunately, she did not survive her injuries from the events of Egypt. I am sorry, old friend.
Don't worry, Chromia was not the same bot as she was since the Battle of Iacon.
Iornhide, we need to fall back now. We need to keep fighting for the sake of Iacon. Chromia! Here, I received this Decepticon barricade.
A Decepticon data disk. Let's see what Decepticons have arrived on this planet. Alright, looking for the play button, and there we go.
Hailstorm.
He's the only one that appears on the disc right now. You know you're not going to chase after him for revenge. Revenge is not the Autobot way.
Hailstorm and I go way back.
I'm aware that you guys go way back. But I don't want you hunting him down and then eventually learning your mistakes in the wrong way. Choose. So what's the job you need me to exactly do? I need you to hunt the one named Iornhide, your old friend. Of course, Megatron. I'll do anything for you. my old traitorous friend. Excellent. Now, I just need to find a vehicle mode to... That's perfect. That one will do perfectly. Oh, ain't this thing a beauty?
Hailstorm. Here, Hailstorm. Hailstorm. Hailstorm? Well, I guess he's not here.
Think again. What do you think of the form, Iornhide? It's been a while since I've last seen you.
Oh, give me a break. Can I just shoot you already? Hurt. Ouch.
We were once great pals, and you chose the wrong side. Well, how pathetic.
Hey, get back here. Chromia, are you okay?
Who are you again?
So, Hailstorm, did you do the job? Yes, Megatron, I did the job. I injured Iornhide. Now, time to conquer this. Ah, Iornhide, it's good to see you. So, whoa. So our compromise is gonna be the hard way. I remember this thing. We worked stellar cycles for Chromia, but now it's just a symbol of the past.
Oh, you're gonna pay for that, just punk.
I think not. Did you really think you could kill me with guns when I'm the most experienced weapon specialist?
No, not really.
Ching! Ching! Looks like you did choose the right side, pal. I wish I could have joined you.
I wish you did too, pal.